Day 6, special guest of the 7 Days Underground City.
All right, here we go. What is that gigantic box?
Shannon, you're going to be excited for this box. All your favorite things are in here.
Which way do you want me to open it? I just open it. For Day 6, we actually have 2 guests, Big Star and Speed. So boys, welcome to the Underground City. Yeah, we've done this tour like 6 or 7 times at this point, right? All right, follow me, boys. If you guys want, we can hit the highest point of the cave. As long as you promise me you won't
It's
jump.
not too high though. Wait, is that water? Not jump, bro. It's water though.
Stop.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I love y'all, but y'all stink.
No,
bro, you stink. I promise.
Hey,
Dude, y'all stink. I'm not even playing, bro. You just look like you stink.
I just took a shower.
There's no showers here though. You'll see.
Stop lying.
God.
You're lying.
Oh my
You're
God.
lying, bro. You're lying. Stop
That's
lying.
moist. It's moist.
How do you smell?
Hey, lift it up.
Dude, get out of there.
Is that Old Spice?
Yes, you know. You move, stinky boy. Get your hands away from me.
And unsurprisingly, the first thing Big Star and Speed wanted to check out was the underground soccer